Hey everyone, welcome back to another video review. Today we're going to have a look at the cool Master NotePal LapAir laptop cooler. Alright then, and this is the cooler. It is made from plastic, metal mesh, rubber and PU sponge. As you can see, it has a very sleek design. It doesn't really look too complicated and neither does it cost too much. It weighs 1.2 kilograms. It has a fan with a speed of 1650 RPM and it produces a noise level of 23 decibels. Alright, so having a quick look at this, you can see it has a very sleek design. It looks really nice. You have easy access to the fan, just like this, so just pull it off with this here. And there's no dust filter here though, and this is the metal piece, the metal mesh piece. And this is the blower style fan. Like this, you also have easy access to clean this fan. A downside though would be that you cannot easily replace this fan if it fails. On the bottom of the cooler we have the USB 2 cable here, which goes around in these cable management grooves. And you can see that this USB cable has a USB connection with a pass-through port, so you don't lose a USB port on your laptop. So that's really good because not every laptop has like 1,000 USB ports. Then there's also rubber feet here and this sponge, and this is really comfortable if you're sitting on your couch and you have that laptop cooler on your legs, for example. It's really comfortable. And as you can see, it has a pretty good angle here, so it's pretty comfortable if you're typing on your laptop. Now a quick explanation on how the fan and the airflow works. You can see the ventilation holes here in the back. Well, through these ventilation holes the fan sucks in cool air, and then on the top, where your laptop will be, it actually blows the air out the ventilation holes here, out the mesh, and it cools your laptop that way. But how good does this laptop cooler cool? Well, we've tested that with the Dell Inspiron 1720 17-inch laptop. At idle with no cooler, the CPU temperature was 57 degrees Celsius and the GPU temperature was 53 degrees Celsius. On full load, also without the cooler, the CPU had a max temperature of 91 degrees Celsius and the GPU of 60 degrees Celsius. Then with the NotePal cooler, the CPU dropped 11 degrees, so it went from 57 to 46 degrees Celsius, and the GPU went from 53 to 48 degrees Celsius on idle. Then on full load again with the cooler, it dropped about 9 degrees Celsius on the CPU, so from 91 degrees Celsius to 82 degrees Celsius, and it also dropped 7 degrees Celsius with the GPU, so from 60 degrees Celsius to 53 degrees Celsius. So approximately it drops your temperature about 10 degrees Celsius. And now I'm already at the conclusion actually, and there's a bunch of positive and a bunch of negative things I can say about this. Let's start off with the positive things like always. It has a nice sleek design. You have an easy access for cleaning the fan. It's USB powered with that USB pass-through port, so you don't lose a USB port on your laptop, and that's really nice as laptops don't always have that many USB ports. It supports up to 17-inch laptops or notebooks, so that's nice as well. And it has useful features like the cable grooves on the bottom, so you can manage that little cable there. And it has that comfy sponge on the bottom, so you can sit on your chair or on the couch, and you can have that laptop cooler on your legs, and it's going to be very comfortable. You're not going to be irritated by it. A few negative things then would be the fan, which is pretty loud. Actually, it's way too loud for a laptop cooler, as laptops in general are very silent, and this fan isn't. And yeah, you're gonna hear it. It's gonna be background noise, but it's gonna be pretty loud for a laptop cooler fan. It's not easy to carry around, also, as it's not really specifically designed for that. So you're not gonna be able to put it in any carrying bag. It's rather big, so keep that in mind. And if the fan fails, it'll be hard to replace it, as it's a fan that you can't really buy in a store like that. And what also would have been nice is some dust filters in that mesh there, and perhaps a speed switch for the fan, and that the USB cable would have been not hardwired into the laptop cooler itself. But overall, this is an outstanding laptop cooler. Thanks for watching this video review. Be sure to comment, rate and subscribe. And leave your comments here on YouTube with questions or on our forums. And yeah, you can also find a bigger list of pros and cons on our website. And thanks to Cooler Master for sponsoring us with this product, and I'll see you all in the next video.